Hi, it's Dina with YourHappyStuff.com, the home of smart, simple, and soulful organizing. And this is your Thursday organizing tip. As you align your lifestyle and your space to support your essential feelings, you're going to find that the things that don't bring you happiness, also known as your clutter, is really going to start to bother you. And when it does, you need to be ready to capture it and get rid of it quickly before you have time to second guess yourself. Don't rely on your old habits of, oh, I'll just deal with that later. Guess what? You tried it and it didn't work. Every time you deal with something later, what you're really doing is delaying a decision. And that's what clutter is. It's piles of delayed decisions. Your days of procrastinating need to be over if you want to have a calm and organized lifestyle. Why? Because your life is right now. You know, my father-in-law always says, well, I don't see someday on the calendar. And he's right. When you are ready to start peeling away the layers of clutter from your life, and this is really a biggie for people who have years worth of accumulated stuff, you need to have a system to get rid of this stuff very simply and very quickly. Enter the donate box. What I want you to do is I would like you to get a box, or even better yet, if you need to be aggressive about this because you need a quick jump start, go and get some moving boxes, some cardboard moving boxes. They're very inexpensive from a hardware store. Get yourself some packing tape, and then I want you to print out the little printable you see down below and tape that to the front of your container or your box. By labeling this box, you are creating a visual cue for yourself. And I want this box and this visual cue to sit right by the doorway that you enter and leave your home from every day. Whenever you come across an item in your home that does not bring you joy and happiness and does not support your essential feelings, I want you to take that item right to the donate box and leave it. Now, if it's really junk and it's not useful to anybody else, it probably needs to go in the trash. Let me give you an example of this. You know, when you're getting dressed in the morning and you put on that top that you've tried to pair with pants and skirts, and you put it on and you're like, ew, I just feel fat and frumpy in this. You know, don't put it back in your closet. Don't toss it back in there. Get it out of your life. Take it to your donate box and walk away. The things that you own should support your essential feelings. They should bring you happiness. Now, I'm not sure what words are on your list of essential feelings, but I'm pretty sure that fat and frumpy are nowhere on your list. Some other examples of this include in your kitchen, when you have to dig around in your cupboard, move things around so you can get behind and get to what you need. Clear away those obstructions. Ask yourself, do these support my essential feelings? Do these things support the function of this space? If no, donate box. Here's the deal. If you are someone who seriously needs to get organized, well, then you and I both know that you are someone who needs to seriously declutter. And guess what? Decluttering is very overwhelming when you don't have a system in place. So set up your donate box and get that system ready to go. If you pair a donate box with the Swift Swipe routine that you learned in class 1, I guarantee you your life will start to feel lighter and happier. Remember, you cannot organize clutter. Nobody can. You can try, and perhaps you have in the past, but what happens when we try to organize clutter? It barfs itself right back up into your space. Sorry to be gross, but it just does. It just right back into your space. No, you have to eliminate the clutter, and then you need to organize all of those things that you truly love. Because I want you to start gaining some traction, I want to challenge you to a daily goal. I want to see if you can set up your donate box and commit to putting 5 things in your donate box each day. That won't be hard for you, and it will take barely any time at all. When you fill a box, just tape it up and it goes right to your car for delivery to its new home. Then set up a new box, slap your visual cue on it, and repeat the process. Be sure to let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about this donate box system, but also let me know how it's going for you. I'd love to cheer you on and support you, as would everyone here at Your Happy Stuff. So with that, I will wish you a wonderful Thursday. Good luck to you. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you next week.